we're about to go try and catch some bluegill and maybe some crappie, aren't we?
Yeah.
And we got her little fishing pole. I think we're gonna try and put a bobber and a hook on it today.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Silver keeps trying to grab my lure. So we're gonna run. Hi! So we're gonna run to the store and we're gonna get some more baits. And then we're gonna hit the road. At the Big R, farming home. Getting some freaking bobbers and some hooks and some crappie and bluegill bait. So. Okay, just got done Big R. They gave me a massive bag for like 4 things. Weezer, what'd you get?
Popcorn.
You got some popcorn? We got a little crappie kit. We got a big bag of bobbers. And we got some big red worms. So, figure it's not really gonna be really a game fish day, more of just like a crappie kind of fish day with the Weezer. So we'll try out the crappie kit, we'll try out the worms, and we'll see how it goes. Popcorn, is that yummy? Yeah, good. All right, we'll see you at the lake. Okay, mic'd up. Got the Weezer ready to go. Waiting on me, huh? Grab you. I gotta put all of our fishing stuff away that we just got, okay? So give me 1 second and then we'll be ready to go, okay? Are you ready to go?
No.
No? Why not?
That's push.
What? Watch out. Okay, grab your fishing pole. Can we leave the popcorn here? Can Dada see the popcorn?
My cousin.
Can we leave it here? You want to bring it with?
Yes.
What?
If
Okay. All right, we're going to head this way, okay? Careful on the rocks. You need help?
no.
No? You want me to carry you?
No.
You don't want me to carry you across the rocks?
Rock. Crash.
Huh?
Crash.
Here, let me just help you.
No.
Come here.
Ah.
All right, you ready?
Ready?
Okay, let's go.
Road.
Hook on here. See how small some of these are. Oh yeah. One of them small hooks will work perfect. Keep your fingers out of there, please, Eloise. Look, Dada's getting you a fishing pole set up, okay? Okay, you ready? This is yours. Ready? Come down here. All right. Here's what you're gonna do, okay? You're gonna watch your bobber. Uh-oh, we might already have a fish, honey. Hold on, your bobber's getting messed with. Mossy. Okay. All right, look. Watch your bobber. See how your bobber's moving? Your bobber's about to take off. We got a fish, little Weezer. You want to see him? It's like just a little bluegill. Look at that.
Fish.
Is that a fish? Did we catch a fish? Whoa.
Yeah.
What do you think? Oh, you might have swallowed that puppy. That's not good. He swallowed her. All right, watch out. I'm gonna set him on the ground. Okay, stay right here. I gotta grab some out of the tackle box real quick. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to reach down in his mouth with these, but we'll see. He's pretty small. Ooh boy. He really did swallow that, didn't he? That is not good.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
All right, watch your bobber. You want to hold your fishing pole? Well, come here. See how your bobber's already moving? Oh, there went your bobber. Oh, never mind, it got off. Let's check your bait and see if your bait's still there. I'm guessing it's not. Nope. And your hook somehow is gone too. All right, come here. You gotta rebait. Okay.
That's fish.
Yeah, Dada's trying to catch more fish. I gotta put a new hook on. Holy crap, it is hot, dude. I am sweating up a storm right now. I think the high today is supposed to be like 97, and it's definitely like almost there. Are you all done fishing, or do you want to keep fishing?
Fishing.
You want to keep fishing?
Yeah.
Okay. Come here. Do you want to try and catch another fish?
Check.
What? Are you all done? Sweetie? Do you want to try and catch more fish, or are you all done?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to try and catch more fish? Or yeah, you're all done?
Okay.
You're all done? Let's try to catch one more. How about that? All right, look, we're gonna use your fishing pole. I should have just brought only yours and not mine. Oh, you're sweaty, girl. Are you hot? Is that a worm? All right, watch. Ready? Dada's gonna cast your fishing pole again, okay? Sweetie? All right, you ready? Come here. Watch your bobber. Come over here. Oh. Watch your bobber. Oh, it took like 90% of it. Throwing a rock in. Nope, the bobber's moving. Bobber's moving. Why are you throwing all the rocks in? You want to see the fish we caught? Eloise, look. Look. Oh, here we go. Whoa, are you okay?
No.
What? You got water in your eye? Look at that. Oh, that one swallowed it too, huh? These things are hungry this morning. You want to hold it?
That.
Is that a fish?
Take it.
Is that a fish?
No.
Is your popcorn all gone?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. All right, you ready to go home?
Yeah.
What? Hey, don't just throw stuff on the ground, sweetie.
Okay. Hershey.
No, it's getting too hot. You're like sweating up a storm, buddy. Okay, you ready?
Robin.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Jump. Whoa!
Big chop.
Big jump. You made it though, didn't you? Oh. All right. Here's the game plan. We're gonna have to come back and go fishing before it gets hot out. Because I'm soaked, and so are you. Okay? Yeah. All right, let's go. You want Daddy to carry something? You want Daddy to carry you?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Oh.